So after India's strong response to that discriminatory policy in the UK of not even recognizing Indian vaccines, major change now in the guidelines for entry to the United Kingdom. Covishield will now be recognized as a vaccine in the UK. However, Indian travellers having taken the Covishield jab will still have to quarantine on arrival because of what the UK calls a certification issue, not a vaccine issue. Remember, India had said reciprocal measures will be considered if this discriminatory policy will not have a rethink by the UK. Remember, also External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar had met the counterpart as well over the same case. My colleague Milan Sharma now with the latest on that. Milan, does it really make much of a difference for now if the quarantine will still have to be done, or even the recognition of a Covishield vaccine is a big change by the UK?
Well, Pooja, the tough stance that India took against UK government rules for Indian travellers has certainly worked, because AstraZeneca's Covishield vaccine has now been added to the approved list of vaccines under the travel rules for amber list countries, that is India. But there seems to be some confusion still because of the certification issue. In India, CoWIN platform issues vaccine certificates to those who have taken the COVID-19 jabs. And it seems that the UK government is still not recognizing the certification and the way the certificates are made in India as a vaccine passport to enter the country without having to self-quarantine. So there seems to be some confusion on that end. But certainly now, at least those who have taken Covishield, which is perhaps 80% of Indian vaccinated population, will now be able to travel to the United Kingdom and will not need to quarantine as per earlier rules. But essentially what the UK government will have to do is once again sort it out with the Ministry of External Affairs in India, because the certification of the vaccination that we use comes from CoWIN, and it has to be done in a particular order. Let me just quickly tell you as well, mixed vaccines right now is not being approved for travel by UK unless it's being done in the US or European health public programs. So in India, if anybody has taken a mixed vaccine, one dose of Covishield, one Covaxin or some other vaccine, that will also still not be approved unless it was done in the UK or European Union public health rules itself.
All right, so these are some important details that have been brought forth by Milan Sharma. So yes, Covishield has now finally been recognized as a vaccine which was anyway identical to the original AstraZeneca, which was being manufactured in the UK. Nevertheless, the change has now come, remember, but after the government also putting forth a strong stand and even warning of a reciprocal measure.